we can start by telling you that 1.9 million people in India have TB. Or that 2 people in India die of TB every 3 minutes. But these are mere statistics, cold, unfeeling numbers which mean little to those who are suffering from TB. Or to those who watch a loved one wage a daily battle against it. And a daily battle it is, because it means regular medication under the supervision of medical personnel or trained volunteers. Regular medication for about 8 to 9 months, without break. Also known as consumption and once feared as a fatal disease, tuberculosis is now more easily treatable at a relatively low cost. Left unaddressed, however, it can be just as deadly today. If patients are unwilling or unable to adhere to the prescribed period of treatment, which can last many months, they may develop a more stubborn and deadly form of the disease, multi-drug resistant tuberculosis or MDR-TB. Resistance to drugs used in the first line of treatment can also cause a patient to acquire the MDR strain of TB. And, like the disease itself, tackling it at this stage is a complex issue. It involves an almost daily dose of injections and frequent testing, both of the patient as well as of the efficacy of the antibiotics being used for treatment. The latter, unfortunately, is possible only at a few centers around the country. The cost of treating an MDR-TB patient, therefore, is significantly higher, going up by as much as 100 times and more, and the treatment can take anywhere between 24 to 27 months.
डॉट प्लस की अच्छी तरह से इम्प्लीमेंटेशन करने की वजह से ही भारत के अलग अलग राज्यों से उसकी तालीम जो देनी है वो सभी तालीमें गुजरात में स्टेट टीबी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन सेंटर जो बहुत ही अच्छा और एकमात्र एक्रीडेटेड लेबोरेटरी है उसमें हमने शुरू भारत सरकार की सूचना के अनुसार की है और अब तक 6 राज्यों के प्रतिनिधियों को तालीम भी पूर्ण की है.
Addressing the issue of MDR TB cases in Gujarat, we have prepared a MDR TB ward for that purpose, and the periphery in the districts the treatment is being given from this center.
MDR-TB nowadays is classified as a pandemic. Lilly's 2 products are known to be efficacious against MDR-TB, which is really why we are transferring that technology to our partners throughout the world. When Eli Lilly started this initiative, it was because we had 2 old effective products that were used for the treatment of MDR-TB. We felt it was appropriate for us to give away that technology and the rights to those products so that we could ensure there was a larger supply available in the world. The partners that we selected for the MDR-TB initiative are in high-burden countries. Lilly actively went out to search for partners in those hotspots.
The Lilly MDR-TB partnership was created to confront multi-drug resistant tuberculosis, a disease so daunting that no single organization can fight it alone. In fact, this partnership is a public-private initiative that has mobilized partners to share knowledge, expertise, resources in the effort to stop the spread of TB and MDR-TB. Each of the partners make valuable contributions to different aspects of this Lilly's comprehensive MDR-TB program.
In India, we have transferred technology to manufacturing expertise of MDR-TB medicine to Shasun Chemicals and Drugs. We partner with NGOs who implement this program in the field in strict compliance with the government's directives. These NGOs and their band of dedicated volunteers work in close association with patients and interact with them on a regular basis, often visiting them in their homes, ensuring that patients visit the health centers when required and take their medicines regularly. Owing to the prolonged period of treatment, which can prove to be painful in more than one way, The highly contagious nature of the disease and the social stigma that continues to be attached with TB, volunteers counsel not only the patients but also their families and neighbors, constantly educating them about the medical and social aspects of the disease. Funded by Eli Lilly, these NGOs also extend monetary help to patients who cannot afford the various costs associated with the treatment.
સાહેબ દવા પીને આવો તમને સહાયતા મળે છે, ગોળી મળે છે, ઇન્જેક્શન મળે છે, અનાજ પાણી મળે છે. ત્યાં ગાડી જવું દવાખાને કોઈ મહિના તપાસ કરાવો તો મને પૈસા બી મળે છે.
3 वर्ष झाले माझ्या मुलीला आरामच नव्हता पडला दवाचा. आता ही दवा चालू केली तेव्हापासून आराम आहे आणि वजन पण वाढलं आणि ती दवा गोळी व्यवस्थित घेते, टाइमशीर घेते.
सीमा हमारी जो लड़की है ये 6 महीने से बीमार थी और इसकी हमने डॉट्स में दवा ली, उससे फ़ायदा नहीं होने की वजह से फिर रामजी भाई ने हमको बताया कि भाई तुम सिविल में .+ की दवा मिलेगी और वहाँ जाओ, और उसके वहाँ से फिर ट्रीटमेंट किया. वहाँ 1 महीना हमको दाखिल रखा सीमा को, और फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने दवाएं दी. अभी तक दवा चालू है इसकी और उससे इनको फ़ायदा हुआ. पहले इसका 27 किलो वज़न था, अभी इसका 33 किलो वज़न है और भूख भी लगती है और ये इसको फ़ायदा है दवा से.
1.5 વર્ષથી મને આ બીમારી છે. દિલીપભાઈ સાહેબ મને સહાય કરે છે. 1.5 વર્ષથી હું આ દવા ખાઉં છું. પછી સિવિલમાં એડમિટ હતો, 11 દિવસે એડમિટ રાખ્યો. પછી ત્યાં મને સહાય હવે ચાલુ થઈ ગઈ છે. બરાબર ન તકલીફ મને તાવ આવતો હતો, તાવ જે આ સિવિલથી દવા ખાવાય તાવ મટી ગયો ને ગોળીઓ ખાવાય મને સારું છે.
The Eli Lilly grant also goes to the World Economic Forum, TB Alert India, the Indian Medical Association, and the TB Association of India.
The World Economic Forum, through its Global Health Initiative, has collaborated with the Lilly MDR TB partnership to enhance the engagement of the business sector in TB care and control. Through this cherished partnership, we have developed a TB awareness toolkit with support from the Lilly MDR TB partnership that motivates and assists companies to plan and execute TB care and control programs at the workplace and in surrounding communities. Also, as a cherished member of the India Business Alliance, again an initiative of the World Economic Forum, the Lilly MDR TB partnership continues to advocate to bring in new member companies into the alliance and also spread awareness on TB care and control.
On the medical front, we partner with private practitioners in tackling faulty regimens and the lack of monitoring. We have special training programs for private practitioners to enhance their understanding of prevention and treatment of MDR TB. To create greater awareness, we employed various media to reach out. Our partnership with the daily Hindi newspaper, Dainik Jagran, resulted in syndicated columns which provided information about TB and tried to dispel the stigma associated with it. Every reader query received as text message in response to these columns was answered in kind. An SMS service also directed the reader to the nearest DOTS center.
3 एकम 3, 3 दूनी 6, 3 तिया 9.
Radio has wide reach, and we've sponsored programs about TB and DOTS on it to inform people about the signs and symptoms, diagnosis, DOTS centers and the free treatment provided.
से ज्यादा हो तो वो टीबी हो सकती है.
Similarly, our association with Manzil, a street theatre group, enabled direct interaction with our target audience. Simple but direct messages of awareness and prevention of TB were combined with little entertainment in the form of street plays, which were performed in locations that were identified as being susceptible to the disease. We also support and participate in events that facilitate interaction among the different players in creating awareness about and the prevention and cure of TB. Today, TB-related deaths have gone down from 29% to 4%, and 8 out of 10 patients are being cured under the DOTS program in India. Yes, these are numbers too, but these are numbers that give us hope that, long though it may be, we can win this battle against TB.
मेरा नाम लक्ष्मण है. 6 महीने पहले मैं बीमार पड़ गया था, जिसके कारण मेरे डोज केंद्र के बारे में पता चला था. वहाँ से मैंने इलाज करवाया था। शुरू में बलगम की जांच हुई थी और उसमें मेरे को टीबी की वो बीमारी निकली थी, जिससे कारण मेरे को शुरू में काफ़ी तकलीफ़ हुई थी और मेरी नौकरी भी चली गई थी और अब मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ।
मैं अभी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ।
अब मुझे ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
तो आराम पड़ला,
बहुत आराम मेरे को हुआ है। अगर मैं भी
Yes, we can stop TB.